Oh, did you see? I know. I missed it. I think it was a blue jay. It went over there. Oh, so they have different numbers and tell you what to put if you want to make a pollinator garden. No butterflies right now. Oh, it's so pretty.
This looks like they kept it like
Kuntai plant and the Atala butterfly, they need it so that they can conserve that butterfly. They need the Kuntai plant. It's really important. They almost went extinct because people were getting the Kuntais out of their yards in Florida. Which way should we go? Right or left, girls? I think it makes a circle, but which way you want to go first?
That way.
Right? Okay. Oh, wild lime, the giant swallowtail butterfly. I did not know that the giant swallowtail butterfly liked wild lime. That is a new one for me. I think we're supposed to stay on the mulch path, so we're not going to go over there. I think that's just for workers. Oh, they made some of the old CD, DVD, like little, I don't know what you'd call them, sun catchers, I guess. We've done that before. Oh, I found a rock.
Cool.
Yeah.
Keep on searching.
Yeah, there might be more that we missed. I just happened to see that one. Oh, I guess you can go this way and then you come back. It looks like they have different Girl Scout and Boy Scout troops that come and water certain areas. Like that's like they're in charge of it. That's part of their project or something. Beauty berries. People make soaps out of that and candles. And this is where they do the little classrooms, I think. This is the turnaround point. A little chickie hut over there. Alright. Don't worry, I'm not gonna get your face in it. I was being careful.
No, I kind of like. Let's keep on searching.
Very true. If it wasn't so rainy, we could have had a picnic. Don't want to sit there though. Oh, it's a cat. At first I thought it was a fox. I was getting all excited, but it was just a cat. I know. That goes out to the park. But we're gonna make the loop. Yeah, the Burt Reynolds Park.
We go to Burton's.
Oh, there's a giant butterfly. Just joking. Yeah, be looking for other hidden painted rocks. There might be more somewhere. That one was pretty good though. It's happened to be right at my level.